this idea come to me that I can hang my shipping boxes up on the wall, because right now I just have them here. I have two different sizes. I have a small 6x9 and that one is a 12x8, I think it is. I was thinking of maybe creating something and hanging them up on the wall here. So I had this vision of maybe getting some dowels and hanging 2 dowels and using it to hang the boxes. So I think we're gonna head to Home Depot later today so we can try to figure something out. Oh yeah. Here we go. That's a good thickness, right?
I think so.
And I think we just need one. Is that strong enough to hold? Like it's not gonna bend.
Just boxes.
Maybe let's just get a thicker one, right?
Sure.
That's good, right?
Yeah, I think so.
And then we can fit a nail through there. You think, is that wide enough?
So,
Or do we go?
OD.
Is this too much?
Yeah. Let's do this one.
That's good. Perfect.
So I just gotta get this in the scene here. Damn, this is kind of big. Hopefully it doesn't split the dowel.
That's why I was asking if we should get a bigger one.
I don't have grip. There it is. Whoa!
Be careful.
If I slip, I'd rather hit my hand than yours.
Should I hit your hand? That went in perfect. Right away. Right? Brooklyn. Hi.
There it goes.
Oh no.
I was waiting for that.
See? It cracked right through. Damn. Alright, well at least we got more, right? Yay. Awesome. I'm excited. Thanks, babe.
Welcome.
So this is attempt number 4 to get this peg in here. Finally got the right size anchor to go into the wall, and these were just completely messed up. I'm not even gonna cover that up. I'm just gonna put wallpaper in there. So now I just need to continue screwing this in and hopefully it'll work. I think this is gonna be good. Hopefully. This is hard. I think it's going in, but it's taking forever. This is crazy. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 holes that lead nowhere. That is fucking insane. So that was a fail. These boxes are way too heavy to go up there. I guess the dowels aren't strong enough to hold it, and the anchors that we got, they're strong enough to hold up to 60 pounds, which I guess we thought was enough, but maybe not. I was thinking maybe if we got thicker dowels, if maybe that would do better. But at least these smaller boxes are doing pretty good there, so I'll leave that like that. And I guess I can just put shopping bags. I can have my shopping bags up there, it'll be light enough. That's cute.
Would have cracked up laughing if it just fell.
All right, so we're not giving up on this idea because I'm not a quitter. So we're just gonna go to Lowe's and see if they have better materials. We're gonna get a new set of dowels because we can't take these nails out. And I'm just gonna put some stickers over these holes here. We're not gonna fill the hole. We're just gonna do that. And close up, you can see it, but from far away, you're not gonna be able to notice it. So we're this one over here too. All right, so we're gonna get better dowels and better wall anchors. I think the wall is like really cheap drywall, so that's what's giving us some problem, but we're gonna get smaller anchors and smaller nails because right now the little dowel nails that we have are pretty thick, and I think that's what's causing the problem. We're back at the scene of the crime to get the right size anchor because I'm not giving up on this project. We got the new dowels. Peter just finished cutting them up, and as you can see, they're a little bit thicker, so I kind of like that. And we got oak this time, so it's a nice darker color, which I kind of like too. These dowel screws are going to be a better size than these that we had, because as you can see, these were a little bit too thick. Yay! Oh, this is good. Yes! Yes!
Now what? Oh, look, put the box out. That won't even
No. Okay, hold. The true test. It's good. Doesn't seem to be shaking. Right? Because the other one started like moving right away, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm scared to put any more.
Why is that one wobbling?
I don't know. I'm just scared. I want.
Do it.
No, that's it.
No, test it. Do it.
No, because if it falls, I'm gonna be sad.
I cry.
I'm gonna cry. No.
Why?
I saw it going down. I saw this one going down. I'm not gonna do it anymore. Finally! What? It took us like what? 3 hours?
2 days.
2 days. 2 days. Okay, so we're done. Look how beautiful that looks. I love it. I just thought it was something easy, and yes, I can close the door because we measured it out. I can close the door like that much, and I still have room to enter and bring in boxes and stuff like that, so we're good to go. Yay!
What can we do with these?
So since we had an extra peg left, I figured why not just hang that up there, and I can hang my shopping bags up here. It's so pretty. Thanks, Bubbles.
You're welcome.
I could just easily grab it, put my candles in there. This is done, and I'm praying that stays. Yay! My printer has officially run out of ink, and I can't find ink replacement anywhere. I've checked Staples, Best Buy, Amazon, and nothing. I've had it for about 4 years now, and I never signed up for the HP ink program, which allows you to save money on ink, and it also never lets you run low on ink cartridges because it's connected to your printer, and the minute it knows that you're running out of ink, it ships out a new ink cartridge for you. Well, I never did that. Now I think it's just time for me to upgrade it. We're back, and I actually got 4 toners to go with my printer. The printer actually came with toner, but they were having a 40% cash back on toner, and since there's like a nationwide shortage on toner, I figured I might as well get it now. And I got the Color LaserJet Pro MFP M479 FW DW, whatever that means, right? Brooklyn, I got the good one? No? Okay, I'm gonna definitely need help. Okay, so this printer is huge compared to my other one. It's so much taller. I have my current printer on the bottom of the shelf over here. I think I can drop it down one more level there so I can lower it and fit this in here. So I'm gonna get this set up onto the computer and make sure it's running smoothly before I even connect and disconnect all that good stuff.
Oh my god.
What happened?
The ledge.
What ledge?
This ledge.
Why is that stupid window ledge always a problem? Come on. I'm not gonna take it all the way out. I'm just gonna climb underneath.
I have an idea. Just take it.
I can just climb underneath and unscrew everything.
No, you can't.
See why it's so good this thing is on wheels? All of this just to get underneath here and get that shelf down. Thanks, babe. You the real MVP. We ended up just making it easier on ourselves. And instead of drilling it into the last set that's there, we kind of just laid it on the floor because why not? We're just being lazy. So now I have room for my ginormous printer, which is so much more efficient, and I love it.